Hey, so welcome back to good old RVing. Today, I decided I'm going to put this shelf, this storage rack, up here in the front of my cargo trailer to hold my generator I just got. So I was watching a few other videos on it, and the instructions aren't 100% clear. And the other videos kind of told me what I needed to know or not. So here's, first off, when working with something on wheels, I always use a square, not a level. Square is much more precise. You get in there and you know exactly when it's square. There is no leveling. You square to the material you're working on. Next, watching the videos that I already saw, they say this is an option. You don't have to put this front bracket on that would go somewhere around here. They say that's optional. So I'm going to try it without it first, and if I need it, I'll add it later. So my first step is I already mounted the pockets. Well, loosely. I'm going to go get the tools and the pipes and put that together. And hopefully I got the right ones. Just going like that. Like that. Okay, according to the instructions, it says you want to mount the pockets 2 to 3 inches from the body of the trailer. So let's tighten this up a little bit, then I can slide it. Okay, it's a 13. ½ inch. Okay, so you could use a SAE ½ inch, or you could use a 13 metric. 13 metric on this side. Okay, so here's where these two tools come in real handy. The square and the tape measure. I'm going to go, I think 3 inches sounds good from the body. That should be, I'm going to go right here. Roughly here. Here. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is hold that right there. You can see how flush that is right there. Alright. Now I get the tools. Start to tighten them down. Start with this one right here first. Okay, see now. I'll go like that. Now we just do the other side the same. Okay, so here's the square. Right up to the bracket, slide it over, perfectly square, right down the frame. That's how I do it. I do the same thing for the opposite side, and it's perfectly square right down the frame. Okay, so that's how I Square up these brackets where they need to be. There you go. I have it sticking out a lot further than it needs to be. So I think I'm going to set it back. Because I got 6 3/4 inches here. Yeah, I'm going to set it back 2.5 more inches. See how that works. Trailer. I'm going to put a tongue box under it. And so that's why this being up high for the lid to open on the tongue box would be perfect. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Now, if I remember right, there's some threaded holes to hold it in place. These are just to lock it down. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm going to center it. Tape. Okay, what are we looking at? 8 1/4. Here, 8. Okay, that's about 8 right there. Okay, 7 7/8. Yeah, I know, it kind of looks like a mud ball when you're doing it. Yeah, 7 7/8. Okay. Now what I can do, these are 14s. I forget if that's when it's at that button. Okay, so I'm just going to lock them down right here into position. Okay, so that's how I did it. And yeah, you can see this front bracket. See it right here? But like I said, it's optional, and I'm gonna not put it on at this point in time. Well, after I get the box, let's see where I sit with that box. Okay, so I hope you got something out of this trailer tray install. These bolts, there were 13 on both sides, just so you know. And the locking bolts, those were 14s. And these ones up here, these are 14s, the carriage bolts. And these ones were, yeah, these were the half. Yeah, these were the half. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to show you. This is the optional T-bar that you mount down here, and it'll go up here and mount. And actually, I got a place right here for it. This battery, put it somewhere else. Okay, the widest part of the frame. We'll go with 31, 17, 21, 17, 21. That's what I got. Okay, so I hope this was beneficial to you. Thanks for hanging in there. I hope that you kind of see how I did that. You see it's solid as a rock with just the set screws in there. And without the front support. But because I'm going to put the 3200 Predator on here, it's about 100 pounds. So I'm thinking the front support might not be a bad idea. Okay. This is good old RV. Wishing everybody a safe and happy travels.